about 7 months into my pregnancy, but I'm still really worried about what's.
Talk about eating whatever you want while
a couple days. I could end up back at
You should
600
stop eating
pounds
so
or more.
much.
The doctors here don't want me on a diet while I'm pregnant, so I'm off Dr. Now's diet.
All these people say Josh is on meth, but I've seen meth heads and he doesn't seem like an especially bad one. Just country.
She's pissed off at me.
Mustard.
Well, I can't blame her.
Mustard plus egg whites is the shit. Off a diet doesn't mean hot dogs for dinner. I'm sorry, but I busted and not laughing when he went off on Justin. My biggest fear is for her to lose weight and leave me. French fry addicts has meltdown. This video is sponsored by Orida.
I'm not sure what it is about them that makes them so
Starch,
good,
fat,
but I like the way they make me feel.
carrot fry.
One thing at a time.
You just have severe autism. I drink water the same way. Ugh. Seems like it was just yesterday. Got my first shot at the mountain. Shut up.
Sign up for Fios Gigabit
I
Connection. You get our fastest
want to
internet
watch
for all your devices.
this woman shoot this man in the
Internet
head. When you told me your girlfriend was good with cars, I wasn't expecting this. Looks good. Shut up. I'm aborting this baby. My husband says he can stay with our parents and get help with the baby. I'm conflicted with baby.
Not gonna see the kernels.
The Colonel's like Colonel Sanders? I'm ready to eat. Is this chicken vegan? We need to search your butthole. We need to search your butthole. You're being deported to Guantanamo. Someone has to be able to escape from these Nazis. If he doesn't tell you what US stands for, you can assume it means anything. Dude, to be honest, this country is under a fascist dictatorship. We have a government full of politicians that are communist. As long as one of you submitted to him, he got his fix for his mental illness. I think they've all read Mein Kampf.
Really fancy.
Personally, I'm just like, if I don't see breadsticks flying, it's not an actual Olive Garden fight. Sir, it's Applebee's, not Apple Chair. I need to read immediately. Air Marshal decapitates passenger with box cutter. You have just been sent to Guantanamo. Mukbang. I'm excited for another mukbang video. How many people are in bed watching? I am a 63-year-old grandmother. And I laughed when he said a grandmother would love the taste of a raspberry crimpet. At least you're cooking some shit. I respect that. I don't respect just pure mukbang. Shut up. Eating Five Guys for the first time, double bacon. Five Guys butts.
This is good.
Shut up. Epic cheat day. Epic cheat meal. Did you know that using your brain uses more calories than eating? The top 10 untold truths about mukbang. Quit jacking off the thing. Oh no. No. Why are you eating poop?
Pumpkin filling. And we're off to a good day.